So some people really want to know what they're going to get in the end and what it's going to look like and feel like and what they're going to be able to do. And that really depends on you. What do you want it to look like, feel like? What do you want to be able to see? Notion is so versatile that you can do whatever you want to do and you can change things. So you will be giving me the brief and I will be building for you. But let me give you a little bit of an example of what I have built so you can see how I structure things and how I work differently for different organizations. So for this client in particular, they are editors, they are managing projects, courses, they've got marketing, social media, podcasts, they're dealing with leads coming in, they want to track all their clients, of course, they've got knowledge management systems, they've got teams, and they've got staff that just want to see what they want to see and not everything else. So we created a central hub for these guys. Now that's really key and important to a lot of businesses to create some sort of central hub. This one is pages that navigate off to everywhere else. This is a demo of a small talent agency that only has a couple of staff working for them, and they just needed to manage their talent, their jobs, the clients coming in. Now they wanted the pages on the main HQ, but they also wanted to see their talent on the main HQ. But you can see every business needs something a bit different and works differently. So this business has lots of different departments. They have an area for their executive board. So not everything has to live on that central page. This is a law firm that needed to have their diary and their matters and their appearances all appearing on the one page, as well as their admin staff being able to navigate through to other HR departments, as well as their staff having their dashboards. You'll notice all of my central hubs have a Notion help section, and the Notion help section has all sorts of little videos. It'll start with just a walkthrough of your workspace. Now, because everybody has different work and different things they need to manage, we set it up obviously very unique to you. So for these editors, they are dealing with manuscripts. So firstly, they wanted a view of their manuscripts on one page. Then they wanted the stage layout, so all of their stages, where everybody's up to and what has been done and not done. Then they wanted to be able to go inside their manuscripts and actually do the work. So they've selected different properties they want to be able to see at the top here. They wanted to be able to have tasks in here, and they also want to track client engagement, what conversations were had and when were they had, so that they can get an overview of all the projects and what's happening, and they can have multiple people working on one project and see what conversations people have had and where the work is up to. Then their manuscripts have stages that they go through, and they wanted to be able to track those stages, but they also wanted to be able to store things in here, documents, and then go in and actually do the work. Each of their manuscripts also has a filing cabinet to be able to store logos, images, documents, financial things. Everyone needs different things. Some people need to track time, some businesses need to track meetings. It differs for everybody, and the way that they want to do the work inside here also differs, and the way that it's set up differs. For some clients, they like to have buttons around their workplace. Some people would like us to set up automations, and some people need us to get their software they're currently using to talk to Notion. So Notion is very versatile, very scalable, means that your growing business can just continue to grow. When you want to add a new staff member in, you can. When you want to add more projects in, you can. And it's very easy to see where everything has to go and where you need to navigate to manage everything.